Hello everybody, my name is Thomas and welcome back to Thomas's Tutoring. In the previous video we did algebra in the advanced level and today we'll be starting a new topic, sequences, as you can see on screen. To explain sequences better and for you to learn them better, you need to learn the two types of mathematical sequences, arithmetic and geometric. For arithmetic sequence, you'll be adding on a certain amount each time. And for geometric sequences, you'll be multiplying by a certain amount each time. Or they can be increasing stably or increasing by a set value each time. There are other sequences. The other types of sequences are in non-verbal reasoning and in verbal reasoning. Those are like which shape comes next and what word comes next. And if I do decide to do those, it will be in a completely different video. Anyway, for our first exercise, we need to figure out what comes next in this geometric sequence. 2, 4, 8, 16, and then we need to figure out what comes next. You'll have 15 seconds to start now. Okay, then that is 19 seconds up, in fact. This exercise is a simple starter problem. You're multiplying by 2, answer is 32. Easy starter, as I've said. For our second exercise, we have an arithmetic sequence, in which we have the numbers in order 2, 3, 6, 11, 18, 27, and 38. You'll have to find out what comes next, and you will have 20 seconds for this one. Okay, then that is 20 seconds up. Basically, we know we are adding on in equal amounts to odd numbers progressing in 2. So we add on, well, we start with 2, but yeah, we start with 2. So add 1, add 3, add 5, add 6, add 7, and add 9. Another way you could look at it is it's the square numbers plus 2. 0 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 times 1, 1, add 2 is 3. And after adding on 11, we need to add on 13, making our answer 38 plus 13, 51. The third exercise involves us solving a sequence with the numbers 2, 6, 18, and 38. You'll have 45 seconds for this tricky problem. And that's 45 seconds up. This is your tricky problem to the eye, this one, but we are adding in a progressive sequence of 8. We start at 4 though, and then we add on 12, then we add on 20, and then we add on 28 in the next one. 38 plus 28 is our answer, which is going to be 66. In our penultimate problem, which means the one before last, we have the numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, and the next number is what we have to find. You'll have 30 seconds to figure out what this one is. Okay, and that is roughly 30 seconds up. My timer sort of played up a bit. But this is a famous sequence that you've probably heard of. Chances are you know the triangle numbers, triangular numbers, however you want to call it. They go up adding in a way similar to square numbers, where they go 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But instead of going 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's only increasing by 1. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. Well, plus 7 is 28. So 28 plus 8 is our answer, 36. And our last but not least problem, we have a sequence which I'm going to reveal to you that is called the Fibonacci sequence. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. And their next number is the one we have to solve for. You'll have 35 seconds for this one. See if you can solve it. Okay, then that is 35 seconds up. The Fibonacci sequence means that you add on the previous number onto the number before the previous number. Which sounds confusing, but it's basically, we see this 1 here, there's nothing before it, so we just add on 1 again. 1 and 1 makes 2. 2 and 1 makes 3. 2 and 3 makes 5. 5 plus 3 makes 8. You can go really far on into the Fibonacci sequence, where you end up getting into the thousands, hundreds of thousands. And it's really complicated, but it's a fun task nonetheless. It's quite enjoyable. If we add 8 onto 5, we give us 13. And it's also a good one to learn, the Fibonacci sequence, as it can come in handy for the 11 plus. And your answer, 13. And that's all I